Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your WordPress schema plugin for better snippets. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To update your WordPress schema plugin for better snippets, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the left-hand menu and find the Plugins section. Click on Installed Plugins to see the list of your current plugins. Locate the schema plugin you want to update. If an update is available, you will see an Update Now link under the plugin's name. Click on Update Now to initiate the update process. Wait for the update to complete. You will see a message confirming the update. Once updated, click on Settings under the plugin name to configure the new features. Review the settings options available in the updated plugin. Make adjustments according to your website's needs and best practices for schema markup. After configuring the settings, remember to save your changes. To ensure everything is working correctly, navigate to a page or post that uses schema markup. Use Google's Rich Results test to check the schema implementation. Enter the URL of the page or post you tested schema on. Click Test URL to see if there are any issues with your updated schema. If everything looks good, you are ready to improve your site's search appearance. Regularly check for updates to your plugins and keep them current for optimal performance. This ensures your website remains efficient and search-friendly. By following these steps, you'll enhance the way your content appears in search results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.